Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with friends, our easy guide. First, ensure everyone has the game installed and a working account ready to go. You can easily add friends by tapping the friends icon in the main lobby, then searching for their in-game ID or username. Send out those requests and wait for them to accept, which usually takes just a few seconds. Once accepted, your friends will appear on your friend list, ready for the next step. Now that your friends are added, it is time to form your squad and prepare for battle. From the main lobby, locate the Invite button, often positioned prominently near your character. A list of your online friends will appear, allowing you to select up to 3 companions for a standard 4-person team. Send out those invites, and once they accept, they will join your lobby, making your squad complete. This quick process ensures everyone is together before diving into the action. With your squad assembled, it is time to choose your battlefield and game type. As the host, you have the power to select the mode and map from the Select Mode menu, usually found above the Start button. You can pick from classic Battle Royale maps like Erangel or try faster-paced modes such as Arena. Discuss with your friends to decide on an adventure everyone will enjoy. Remember, teamwork starts with a shared goal, even before the match begins. Once you are in the game, communication becomes your greatest weapon for securing that victory. PUBG Mobile provides an intuitive in-game voice chat system. Just tap the microphone icon to speak with your friends. Remember to use the speaker icon to hear their calls and strategies. Additionally, quick chat commands and map markers are incredibly useful for sharing vital information, like enemy positions or valuable loot, without saying a word. Effective teamwork truly hinges on clear communication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.